Magandang hapon po ng Monday, April 28, 2025. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Monday, April 28, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 5 p.m. draw ng 2D Lotto. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong Monday, April 28, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Monday, April 28, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for April 28, 2025, Monday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Monday, April 28, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.